Guys, Darcy Ninja here from MMT. Make sure you like and subscribe this video. We'll appreciate that. I'm just going to do a bit of a rub on Ninja today. I'm going to start off in his shoulder blades. So doing our open sequence, just using the broad palm, connecting in to that first rib, and then following the laminar groove down the spine. So connecting in with some of the white tissue, the tendinous tissue along the spine first, which is just a nice way to connect and get some blood flow through the shoulder blade and into the ribs. So I'm actually going to focus on some muscles called the intercostals, which are the muscles in between each rib. And if you're feeling like you're stuck in the upper back, maybe it's deeper than our upper trap and our rhomboids and our left scap. Maybe you've got to go into the ribs and actually work between the rib cage. I'm not sure if you're feeling any tension in between your shoulder blades, Ninja, or if you've got some tightness in your neck or anything like that.
Yeah, just a bit of stress, man. So always good to get a treatment.
Yeah.
Yeah, hands-on work is gold. So thanks for looking after me.
Yeah, you're looking pretty lean, man. You've been you're as lean as I've ever seen you. What are you weighing out of you?
I haven't weighed. I weighed on Monday. I'm in nearly 3 weeks into a detox, so I was down 2 kilos from the start weight on Monday. That was after 2 weeks.
Yep.
So yeah, I'm expecting to drop a little bit more this week, and then the last week you normally drop a lot more because it's a full fast.
Yep.
So, but yeah, I feel like a lot of toxins are coming out of me, and emotions are coming up, and all that kind of stuff as well. So it's sort of what happens. You face your stuff, what you're holding on to, and so it's a good exercise, and it's I suppose it's not for the faint-hearted. You got to commit. That's what it's all about. You're kind of committing to yourself. It's honouring yourself, loving yourself, because you're trying to clean the temple.
Yep.
And that's the way I view it. I kind of don't see it as suffering. I just sort of want to do this for myself and for the other people that are doing it with me as well. So we've got a little support group, which I think is really important.
Yep.
So then you don't feel like you got not letting other people down. If you don't want to let other people down, don't want to let yourself down. So you do it together, you get through it.
Yeah. So to give you guys a little bit of context, Ninja's almost 3 weeks into a full cleanse or fast, which you could probably explain maybe the first week and the second week and what you're up to and why you're doing it.
Yeah, so the way I kind of planned it was to do to go into it like to what do you call it, the preparation. Kind of I did a couple of weeks that were more preparation, but they were still like a lighter cleanse. So it kind of it gets deeper and deeper and deeper as we go through. And the first week, I feel like it could be even like the hardest week because you're taking things out of your life that are comfortable, the things like for me it was like chocolate and tempeh and some like lots of chais from cafes. Wow, that's a good spot, Darcy.
Yep.
So it was that letting go of that and feeling into that because it was I just couldn't have those instant gratifications, those endorphins that I was used to getting like all the time. Yeah, it just sort of meant the way I was doing it, it wasn't special anymore to me to have some chocolate and that because it was fucking, excuse me, that was because he's hurting me. It was daily, so so the first week I kind of went raw vegan and had kind of some other restrictions and tried to start the ball rolling with the different the detox things that I'm doing. So I started off with the heavy metal stuff, but just the fasting alone, that helps get the heavy metals out. It was sort of the week one, you didn't have any solid food. In the morning, you had fruit in the afternoon, then salad and nuts at night time. So I suppose for everybody out there, like you cut out meat, dairy, eggs, kind of all this cooked starches.
Gluten, wheat.
Yeah, all that kind of stuff that can clog up in your body. So we wanted to eliminate all that stuff first. So just even that diet is really hard for certain people because it's so foreign and it's you got so much attachment to what you're currently doing and belief in what you're doing, and then to kind of not have the, whatever the meat and potatoes and the, chocolates and all the other different things, alcohol, the smokes, the whatever you kind of eat. It's very different. It's a real challenge for people. So yeah, I kind of wasn't too dissimilar from my normal diet, but I still felt it quite a bit. So then week 2, was just liquids during the day. So I added in smoothies and vegetable juice and the teas. So I'm on stone breaking tea in week 2 through to 4.
Yeah.
And then, raw vegan salad at night time. But I cut down on the fats at night time. So it was sort of like the avocados, the nuts were really reduced. So that week 3 wouldn't be so hard for me, So and I had fruit at night time too if I felt like it, just a little bit. And then what I'm in now is week 3. So all this week I haven't had any solid foods. Just the only kind of nutrients I'm having is some vegetable juice, just mainly beetroot and celery, a bit of carrot, ginger, garlic, turmeric. Turmeric all over my hands, look at that. Yeah. Fucking goes everywhere. Yeah. It's sticky stuff. It's like you're smoking darts. Yeah. And then I have a bit of medicinal mushrooms and some cacao and maca. No almond milk or sugar or anything like that. So it's very bitter. It's good for digestion, kind of anything I've got to digest kind of in there.
Yep.
Yeah, then week 4, I take out the vegetable juice. So yeah, that's it. So and what I'm doing as well, I'm going to have colonic irrigations. Having them one today and one tomorrow. And then next week I'm having 2 as well. I'm also on some parasite cleansing stuff, so just started that this week, so that goes for 4 weeks. So it's going to be cleansing beyond the 4 weeks. So stone breaking tea, doing some metal detox, so zeolites, fulvic acid, and some other stuff that come in this parasite kit. Yeah, so lots will be coming out. And
you sound a little bit nasally, man. Do you feel like you're getting a bit sick, like it's bringing things up and clearing things out for you? Or?
Yeah, I don't feel sick at all, but there has been times where there's been some stuff coming out, so...
It's bloody cold here too, so that doesn't help. But
yeah, sometimes it's quite just runny, but other times it's has been some stuff to cough up, and I kind of see that. I don't see that as bad. I see that as just my body doing its job. It's actually the factory shut down, so we can clean some of the take apart the machines and clean out the nooks and crannies, and that's sort of essentially what's happening. Everything's the focus can go to cleaning, because normally the priority is just get whatever is inside you to digest and get it through and get it out. Mm-hmm. So at the moment, the factory's kind of shut down and it's going to work. It's loving me. So you kind of the severity of your detox is based on the crimes of the body. So the crimes of your body is different for everybody, and the accumulation is different for everybody. So so it's I've kind of done so many different detoxes, so I know this, and kind of when I started doing them, I wasn't good at it, I kind of was freaking out, and it was all foreign, but when I pushed through further and further each time, the other side was amazing. So just the way my body functioned, the way I felt, the way my brain felt, and, it was just amazing how light you feel on things, and you don't want to go back to those habits you had previous, so you kind of can have more moderation and more balance, and then kind of enjoy the different things, occasionally, rather than just having them every day and you don't appreciate them anymore, So it's a big thing to embark on, but I really encourage people to detox, because like David Wolf says, it's more important. Detox is more important than nourishment, because if you can't absorb the food, the nutrients, the minerals, all that kind of stuff, it's what are you doing? The pipes are clogged. That's good. I encourage.
How's your energy and everything been this week, man? With no solids, I'm sure. I don't know how many people on the other side of the camera would be keen to do that, or if they've done it before, maybe comment and let us know what your journey has been or is. Maybe this inspires others to do it. Clean it out.
Yeah, well, it's sort of really interesting because when I've done these sort of extended cleanses before, like your brain actually works better. And like we did a webinar this morning. I feel like it was probably the best one I've ever done.
Yep.
So
Be clear.
it was clear, and I felt normal, or better than normal, probably better energy and things. And the thing that I really notice is like I can still do my lifting, so deadlifts and squats, even when I'm doing complete fast. But the more dynamic, explosive work, that's where I kind of felt like I just didn't have the same kind of grit,
grit, power.
Power. So I'll be going to try and sprint later today, so that'll be a test. And I'm probably in doubt for next Friday already. I'm just sort of on previous times I've tried, so I might be coach next week.
Yep.
I have to sit and rug up, and it's bloody cold over here at the moment. So yeah, time will tell. I might be good.
Yep. See how you're at. So you finish next Monday, or
it's next Saturday. Kind of but I'm gonna ease out as well. So the way you come into it, you kind of got to ease out the same way, and you don't just go and eat a bag of chips and a go-nut or something. It's a go-nut.
Donut. I guess you've broken that I don't know, that desire to want to eat shitty foods. Like if you're a bit addicted to Coke or chocolate or donuts, whatever it is, then I guess it's probably taken you 10 days or something to not really want that chocolate. It was chocolate and chows. Wow. Chows. It was in between a cacao and a chai. The chows.
The chow.
Oh, I don't mind a chow.
Oh, we should put a bit of cacao in the old chai, I reckon.
Yeah.
That's
Chocky chais. We just made something up.
Chocky chais. Yeah, it's been done before. Yeah, Aaron loves a dirty chai.
Yeah.
Inside jokes there. It's a chai with a shot or two of coffee in it. People out there that don't know. So
I'll just quickly show you this video has been more about Ninja's chat, less about the treatment, but hopefully you guys got a little bit out of it. I'll just show you exactly what I've been working on, the muscles in between the rib cage, our intercostals. So just if you're feeling a little bit tense through there or almost suffocated, struggling to breathe, sometimes it's a really good idea to work in between the rib cage and work those intercostals. I was following the spine because I also like to stay connected to our spine and our laminar groove, and I could feel that there was little spots that were built up, tension points or trigger points, adhesions that I felt on Ninja, and I like to stick to that. You can still get in between the rib cage and stay close to the spine. So for body workers that have followed along, get in between the rib cage, see if you can get more expansion through the rib cage by unblocking or unlocking the muscles that go in between each of them. They are important. But yeah, those that watch, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Done.